After months of drought, much of southern Spain is now underwater. Heavy rains cause scenes of devastation, with rivers bursting their banks, leading to widespread flash flooding across huge areas of Andalusia and Murcia.
From 7 it got stronger, and when I looked out my bedroom window I saw the cars floating past. So we went to the second floor because the water was up to the window.
I got a fright when I came downstairs and saw that the door was busted and water was flooding everything. It was getting deeper, which was what really frightened me.
At least 7 people have been killed and hundreds have been forced to flee their homes. One woman died when a river burst its banks and floodwater rushed past her home near Malaga. Spain's weather agency said that up to 245 litres, 65 gallons of water per square metre fell on Friday morning alone. The government of Andalusia has put the area on red alert as emergency teams try to help those still trapped by the rising waters.
We've been advised many times that in this area, because it is on the plain and has many streams, the houses get isolated by the water and normal vehicles cannot get access, so we have to find alternative ways like boats to carry out evacuations to prevent personal injuries.
Authorities in the nearby city of Valencia are now preparing for the worst as the storms head east and towards them. Adele Robinson.
As the rain
Sky
fell
News.
quickly, this car was submerged. The flooding brought chaos across southern Spain. Yesterday, bridges collapsed after just 2 days of heavy rain. Here you can see the destructive force of the rising water. For some, relief as loved ones were rescued. In difficult conditions, the emergency services have evacuated hundreds from their flooded homes. Some of those who were killed were travelling in their cars. On these satellite images, the light grey patches show rain moving across Spain. More flooding is expected in the northeast of the country later today.
We've had the hottest summer in 70 years, and we've also had the driest summer for 70 years. So all of the ground is absolutely parched dry. The ground can't absorb the water, and it just washes it off in huge volumes.
Moving people out of flooded areas has been a slow and difficult process. This is the rainy season in Spain, but so much in such a short space of time has caught many by surprise. Tom Burridge, BBC News in Madrid.